CH3CH20 is more capable of forming hydrogen bond within the molecules due to the following reasons. There is an electronegativity difference between the two bonded atoms, and that is O and H, and therefore the O and H bond become polar. This polarity in the bonding is the main reason for the H bonding. H carries the partial positive charge due to which it is the hydrogen bond with the neighbor molecule. However, there is a polarity within CH3CH2F, but it can be not form hydrogen bond with the molecule because it does not have hydrogen. It can be interact with other hydrogen-containing polar compound. Google Translation: CH3CH20 is mass capacity former and has dehydrogenado dentro de sus moléculas debido a las siguientes razones. 1. Existe la diferencia de electronegatividad